guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Muskan here if you guys don't know. And speaking of today's video, I'm pretty sure you guys already know that in today's video I'll be recommending you guys some book series. Speaking of this book series, they all are basically romance genre, which I'm pretty sure you guys will love it as I totally love them. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, then don't forget to watch my previous videos where I recommend books that are basically romance genre, but all of them had different genre in it. Also, if you guys like my recommendation, then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. So without wasting any time, let's take a look which book series I'm talking about. So the first book series that I'll be recommending you guys is After, which is written by Anna Todd, and I'm pretty sure you guys have already heard about this book series because this book series is really a famous one. As you guys know that it also have two movies based on it, which is called as After and After We Collided. This book series basically contain five books in it, and all of this series basically revolve around Karen Scott and Tessa, where Tessa is just normal girl who is starting her new year in college, where on the other hand Harden is a typical bad boy, and the image you guys can clearly get what I'm talking about. So this basically story talks about all the ups and downs they both come with each other. Also, how they will both try to stay away from each other, but apparently they can't. So if you guys love typical cliche but with a little bit reality check, then don't forget to read this book series. It's amazing, and I'm pretty sure you guys will love it. So the second book series that I'll be recommending you guys is the Follower series, which is written by Penelope Douglas. Now I won't be talking much about this series because I have already talked in detail, and yes, without any spoiler, in my previous video. So if you guys really wanted to know about this whole series and you want to read this book series, then go check out my previous video and you guys will basically know that what all this whole series about. But before moving to third one, this book series basically contains five books in it, and the whole book series revolves around a girl named Kate and Gerard and their friends and the whole family. So if you guys really wanted to know, then don't forget to watch my previous video to know more about this book series. The third book series that I'll be recommending you guys in this book recommendation video is basically the Royal series. Now in this book series there are total 5 books in it, where the first one is called The Paper Princess. You guys can google it and get to know that what are the rest one of them was called. Now speaking of this book series, this whole story is basically revolved around a girl named Ella Harper, who was basically struggling in her life, and she was going through a rough time and becoming a total survivor. But apparently out of the blue a man showed up in her life and he chose her into a royal life, where she met 5 boys who are basically son of that man, and one of them is Reed, and he just can't stand her. He totally hate her, or at least he shows that he hate her. Now they both try to stay from each other, but apparently they can't. So speaking of, all in all, in this whole series, this book revolves around those 5 brothers and what happens in their life and what kind of ups and downs come in their life and what happens with between Ella and Reed. So to know more about what happens and everything, you guys really need to read this book series. It's a total cliche one, yes, but interesting one. And if you are into total cliche genre, then you guys will definitely love it. Also, I forgot to tell that this book is basically written by Erin Watt, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely go and check it out, this book series, if you are into total cliche and romance work. Okay, so the fourth book series that I'll be recommending you guys is basically Off Campus series. Now, Off Campus series, I'm pretty sure you guys must have heard about it a lot because it's as equally famous as After Book series or the Follow-Away series. This book series is basically written by L.A. Kennedy and it contains 4 books in it. Speaking of the plot of this books, basically these whole book series, all four of them basically revolve around 4 boys who are kind of best friends and they're part of hockey team. So all in all individual books basically speaks about individual boys and how a girl came into their life and changed their whole personality. They become from a typical playboy to the one woman man kind of guy. And yeah, it's a typical cliche one, yes, but a little bit plot twist in it. Every book has its own plot twist and I'm pretty sure you guys will love it if you guys like After or the Follow-Away series, which I'm pretty sure again you guys will like it. So don't forget to read this book if you are into bad boy and cliche type of genre. You guys will love it. Okay, so the very last book that I'll be recommending you guys is Did I Mention You book series. Now, speaking of this book series, it contains 3 books in it and it is written by L.M. Ashley Masme, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that that's what her name is. Now, speaking of the plot of this book series, typical cliche, yes, again bad boy and a good girl type of book series, but the little twist in it that they both are related, and how they are related is, for that you guys really need to read this book out and it's amazing, trust me. It's kind of like you will get hooked on it and you guys will love it. Also, just a little bit hint to you guys, no spoiler of course, that they both are related as in like brother sister way, step brother and step sister way, but the whole book series is so engaging, you guys will love it. Cliche, yes, amazing, yes. All in all, speaking of, if I speak overall about this book series, it contains lots of summer secrets in it and heartbreak and that butterfly moments in it. So yeah, for to know what happens between both of them, you guys really need to read this book out. So these were my favorite book series that I recommended you guys, and I hope you guys like my recommendations. If you guys are totally into typical bad boy romance genre type, you guys will love it. I swear on you that. Okay, moving on. If you guys, on a very serious note, if you guys like my recommendation, then don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. Also, to know more book recommendations like romance genre stuff, don't forget to watch my previous videos. And for the next video, I'll be seeing you guys on Monday. Till then, bye bye.